So my senior skill project is planning a trip to Washington and Oregon, and I chose this just because I'm trying to convince my parents to go, and they've actually been talking about it for a long time, and I'm hoping that like having a plan will convince them. And then my week 1 plan was just trying to figure out what to do, the length of the trip, and then a flight in and out. And so my flight, they're both in and out of Portland, and I'm choosing between the two. The first one is $237 per person, and it is leaving Tuesday, July 14th at 6:41 p.m. and coming home Saturday, July 25th at 10:51 p.m. So it's a red eye coming home. And then the second flight is $279 per person, once again in and out of Portland. And then we leave Tuesday, July 21st at 6:41 p.m. and come home Saturday, August 1st at 10:51, so it's another red eye. And then, so I chose an 11-day trip because I think it will fit in everything I want to do. So the things I found to do in Washington are visit Seattle for a day, go to the Space Needle, Seattle Great Wheel, and Pioneer Square. And then I want to go to Olympic National Park for 2 full days, North Cascades for 2 full days, and Mount Rainier for a day and a half or 2 days. And then the things I found to do in Oregon are I want to use Portland as a launching point. I want to go to the Oregon coast for a half day, specifically Cannon Beach. I've heard it's really nice. And then I want to go to Portland for at least stay in there for a day or 2. You go to Eugene for half a day. I want to go to Crater Lake National Park in Bend, Oregon, and Smith Rock State Park, which is probably about 2 or 3 days total, but I just don't think it's a good idea because it's so much farther south of Portland, and it's kind of just a lake in a hole if you went to Crater Lake. And then I want to go to Mount Hood and Columbia River Gorge, and they're basically together, and they're pretty much a half day each. And that's all I did this week.